Hello everybody, today we have a nice Golf, and what we have an AirBag fault, an AirBag problem. If we go to the diagnostics and we see on the dash this lovely pregnant, whatever you call it, this looks like it's in a yellow color, that means the AirBag fault. And if we go inside of the diagnostics, that's what we got. It says 01-2021 and side airbag crash sensor, driver side. And it says then the circuit is fully open or short to plus, and probably this fault code is completely right. And let's go and see what we done. Actually we have another Golf. This one is 1st series and this one is 5th series. So we just removed the door panel. Actually you may laugh, but it's coming out from the outside. Exactly, you don't need even open doors. Okay, you need open doors, but when you open it up, go ahead and look inside. You have a very nice plug. The plug is located right into the column and goes out from the column and goes inside of the doors. And there we can see we have a plug with plenty of wires. That's because of course you have a music, you have a windows and stuff like that, and you have an airbag sensor. That sensor called the crash sensor. Yes, it feels the crash when somebody crashes from the side. And there goes out through 2 wires. So the 2 wires, look, the wire, each color says, what is a pink, yeah, definitely 2 wire colors, and it goes inside and goes through the door and comes out here, and look, it's splitted. And the first thing. Another thing, of course, what we have is pretty much another wires completely splitted, and that's the usually I would say can be in any car, but normally of course these doors is closing and opening and these wires is jamming all the time. So always you have a look what's going on inside of the door wires. And what we need to do now, we need to restore this everything, resolder of course, and then put on some thermo tape on and get this everything good push to get it going again and get the fault off. So in this point I think so you get the idea. If you get the airbag fault, check your doors. It can be actually left, right, any door, impact sensor, crash sensor, how it's in this case. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, leave a like and leave a comment. Good luck.